What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and today yet another video on how to find the perfect images for your push campaign. So let's dive in. Alright, so I am inside Mobedia and I already have an offer that we are going to use today to find some more converting images for push campaigns upon request, because apparently a lot of you guys are struggling with finding the right images for your push campaign. So we're going to do a couple different videos on a couple different verticals, each time slightly different, and each time getting some new information on how to find that perfect image that will automatically give you tons of conversions and tons of visit to your offer page. So this is the offer that we're going to focus on today. It is a USA offer, a United States of America offer, and it has a payout of $177. It's available on Mobedia. It runs on desktop, phone, tablet, and smart TV. Let's get some info on the offer. The offer converts on single opt-in. The offer has a daily cap of 100. Please contact your AM for more details. Don't use the words free, win, winner, or won. No brand bidding. Using the words win, win, winner, free giveaway, prize, $0, or anything similar prohibited. You can use the word reward. Alright, important? No, well, we will skip that. And advanced, we will skip that as well. No restrictions on the traffic. And this is the offer. National Consumer Center, over 4 million in rewards given out so far. Status available, very important. $1,000 Amazon gift card upon completion of purchase requirements. Click for details. And basically you just have to answer 3 questions. And after you've done that, you will have to put in your email address. And then you have a chance to win $1,000 shopping card for Amazon, gift card. Alright, so we are going to run this with 0 park. So let's create a new push campaign, and we're gonna do a run on target. I don't care about this stuff right now. We're gonna scroll straight down to the dimensions of the image, which is what we're gonna focus on for this video. So we want the dimensions 192 by 192. So let's open up Canva, and we are going to create a new design with the dimensions 192 by 192. All right, there we go. And now we want to find some images. So once again, just like in the previous video, if you haven't seen it yet, make sure to check that out. But once again, it really depends on what kind of angle you are going to take. So let me describe how important the angle is. If I am trying to sell a product, and I, as a salesman or as an ad or whatever it is, I tell you, listen, I've got your solution to your problem A by using product 1. That's the solution. And then in the landing page, for example, I say, you've got problem B and this is the solution. That's already not coherent. So what you want to create is a coherent flow, where from the first impression all the way throughout till the offer page, it all blends into one story, one angle, which you are going to approach this offer with. So for the Amazon gift card, there can be a lot of different angles, right? So you could say free shopping. So you're not allowed to use that in your headlines. We just saw that. That's a restriction. But we can use images like that for our image. So for example, if we were able to cut that back out, that might be interesting. Right now I don't think this is interesting, but this might be, right? Seeing somebody extremely happy while they are shopping. That's a very interesting take. Let's see. I don't really like this picture. But free shopping images. Let's just continue the search. What I like to do is get to these related searches every now and then to mix things up just a little bit. So this is actually a good picture. It's a very stock-like picture, which usually tend to convert less. So keep that in mind. But just to show you an example, I am going to upload this into Canva. And that's not how I want to crop it, so I'm going to do it myself. Let's stretch this all the way until the borders are met. There we go. Then we want the woman in the center. Awesome. So that could be a first picture where you take the angle of like, get your free shopping right now. Or we're not allowed to use free, right? Are we? Let's check. Let's double check. Advanced, low traffic, screenshots. Where was it? Oh, here. Using the words win, winner, free, giveaway. Okay. So then it would be get your reward and shop, or your shopping is on us. Perfect. Your shopping is on us. And then with an image of this woman with her bags being happy. Or we've got your bill. Something like that. For an angle like that, you really got to be careful because you cannot use any kind of word, just like we've just seen. So be careful with it, but it can be a very good approach. Let's see if we can find something else. So let's go with another angle. I want some creativity, so let's see. We could use, obviously, the Amazon gift card angle, where you basically just tease them right away with the incentive that they will get for filling out the survey. So let's take a look. A picture like this. But maybe we want somebody being happy with it. Seeing faces is always a good thing, because us as humans, we like to see faces, and when we see faces, we tend to more trust the products that we are watching. So, winner with Amazon card. Okay, so this is clearly branded and not a picture we would use, but to get the idea of it, 2 people and an Amazon gift card. Perfect. This is actually a good one. So I'm going to save this image. This is the original, which might be even better since you see her happy face. Let's try them both. I didn't want to open it, I just wanted to download it. Okay, let's get them both in and see what we like better. So we have this one where the focus is really, ooh, that doesn't come out nicely. Where the focus is really on the Amazon card. You know what? I'm gonna skip that and I'm going straight to this one because I get the feeling that the other one won't work. You see, this already crops a lot better. I still don't like it, so I'm gonna crop it myself. I am picky, I know that. I'm a perfectionist. All right, there we go. Look how happy she is with her flipping Amazon gift card. That is amazing. I already love this image, and I know for a fact that it will create a lot of trustworthiness with your audience. Write the right headline with it though, because the attention is there. The attention is definitely on the Amazon cards, and we see her face being happy, kind of blurred in the background, which is fine because the attention should be on the reward you get after filling out the survey. So the attention is on the Amazon card, which is a good part. Now we just need a strong headline to basically you already scroll stomp them with this image because they are interested in getting an Amazon gift card, write the perfect headline for it. So don't wait any longer for your $1,000 Amazon gift card, whatever it is, something in that angle, right? Once again, you want the angle to be coherent, so make sure that everything lines up perfectly and matches your image and matches your landing page and your offer page, obviously. So that were just a couple of examples. Let's download this one so I can show you in ZeroPark what the preview would look like. So let's drop it in there. There we go. So here you have the image right here as well. I have to say it's not as bright as I like it to be. So maybe I would personally look for another picture where there are some more bright colors that pop out a little bit more than this does. But if you look at the size, you can still clearly see that it's about an Amazon gift card. That's the first thing that you notice. And what you notice in the back is the woman being happy, but the attention once again isn't really on her. It is on the Amazon gift card. And the Amazon gift card with that logo that is so well known, you automatically know and you automatically connect with the fact that it's Amazon. And who doesn't love Amazon, right? Because you can order anything you want, so it's the best gift you can get. Alright, so the focus is really on the Amazon card. We do have her happy face in there, which will create a little bit more trustworthiness and maybe some more clicks and a better ICTR, which is great. So now we just need a great title and a perfect description. Just as an example so that you can see what it would kind of look like. Obviously this is all fucked up, but you would obviously write a better copy. But it's all about the image today, so check that image out. I like it. Personally, I would get a little bit more brightness in that picture so that it pops out a little bit more. But still, overall, I would give this image a 7, maybe 8 out of 10, because it's really, in one moment you already know, okay, this is about an Amazon gift card. She looks happy. I want to be happy. I want an Amazon gift card. I want to fill out that survey. Let's do it. That's going to be it for this one. Don't forget to check out the Deberoo Suite Beta, which is still for free. You can join by following the link down below in the description and sign up for free to make use of all kinds of awesome affiliate marketing software tools and services. So that's going to be it for this one. I will catch you next time. Until then, peace out.